like to welcome you to another session. So today we are going to discuss about the general introduction of the first video. This video comprises everything about what is humanoid robots, the different type of humanoid robots used in the robotics, and how it has been developed and evolved during this period of time. So so like look into the slides. Before that, I would like to convey myself as a Samsung assistant professor, as you have earlier said in like previous PPTs. So I am from the Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So when you come with the slide, so normally the humanoid, right, is an reply. It's like a robot which has the same body shape which resembles to a human being. The design may be we have done for a functional purpose such as interacting with the human tools or environmentals for experimental purpose such as the study of all locomotion or other purposes. In generally, normally we call as in human robots have similar like a human body which has possesses two legs, two arms, and one head. So in the fund which has interacting with the medium. Sorry, it has an interactive medium which has related with the environment. So provides how it has to be interpreted. For example, the some of the humanoid robots may model only part of the body. For example, the wrist up, the waist up are also depends upon the task. And also it is similarly replicable to the human features like eyes, mouth, where the sensors has been fitted to that to overtake whether it has been senses through the environment hazards or what are the things we have been so visible through is human mission system as a part of an eye, and the mouth is to speak the speaker to speak about what are the things it has get or what are the things to be done in the future that can be represented uses this. So these humanoid robots are built to aesthetically resemble humans. It also used to work as the human developments. So the basic components of the humanoid robots are the first one is important. This is sensors. These sensors are classified into different types. That is a perceptive sensor, extratropic sensors, and proximity sensors, tactile sensors, vision sensors, and sound sensors. These are the various sensors which are incorporated in humanoid robots, which produces the recent data or enhance the data based upon the conditions we are applying. Apart from that, once the sensor receives the data, there is some need of action has to be done that has to be done to an actuators. These actuators works based upon hydraulic and electrical actuators, then piezoelectric actuators, and ultrasonic actuators and pneumatic actuators. So through an oil or electrical resistance, it has been done through in DC motor, stepper motor, and a servo motors. When piezoelectric actuators, we can say that based upon the piezoelectric effect that's working upon that. Then you comes an ultrasonic actuators, then pneumatic. Ultrasonic is nothing but a sound, and then pneumatic actuators is based upon air. This is how the robot has been actuated by using the getting the values from the physical environment by using a sensor. Once it has been done, the planning and control has been taken place, and what are the things has to be done, and how it has to be planned to do a perfect task, and how they can able to control by using the feedback mechanism. These are explained in the these are the basic components which are derived in humanoid robot to work to perform a certain task. So when the combination of all these structures can resemble a humanoid robot, this is the important factor where every data has been incorporated and there has been to developed in structures. So normally the humanoid robots purpose normally we have for several, it is used as a research tool in several scientific areas, and also the computation models of human behavior, and also it has been improving and over time in the recent days, and also it has been developed to use personal task assistance, and also a small home application areas they has been developed. And also in the border areas there is a lot of human losses has been obtained. To overcome those human losses, these kind of military robots have been incorporated in a dangerous area or the dangerous zone which is set as a red alert, where we can use these robots to overcome the loss of humans. And it is an versatility and adaptable to any conditions, and it can be operated by using an AI inbuilt model. And this second one is to non-courage, the courage of one having literally non-conscious of anything to lose. So robots are easy and we can able to easily handle. And also it is invulnerable to infection or the poisonous of the any bites has been taken in the forest range areas. So these are the purpose of humanoid robots, and these are the references I have taken for the understanding the basic concepts of humanoid robots. And uh, thank you for watching this video. Well, let's hope let's see the another topics of various sensors in the future topics, and sorry, future videos, and thank you.